Hi and welcome to this channel. In this video we are going to redesign the new BMW M3 and it will be the third version of it. If you enjoy seeing this type of content, please check my other videos where I modify the same car but in a different style with a different technique. So let's start. First I change the color of the image and start straight away tracing the sketch with the path tool. I decided to change the color to make it more sporty and give a different feel to the overall picture. I tried to keep the edginess of the existing design and apply it to the new direction. I lowered the bonnet and slimmed down the light to achieve more aggressive look and give the graphics horizontal direction to emphasize the width of the sporty car. I increased the lower intake, and while working on it I discovered a new way how to keep the lower part of the bumper and still achieve the different look of the implemented theme. It's kind of like a wing sticking out from the lower part and creating a side intake. The different meshes and the laser lights are the same parts, just slightly modified to keep the integrity of the whole design together. Let me know in the comment section below which version of the modified BMWs you prefer. Please subscribe and hit the like button. If you enjoy seeing the creation process and want to see the final result, please stay till the end of the video. Thank you for watching, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. See you in the next video!